Not a 12-step program. This works. To get your copy, call 888-744
No.
or visit passagesmalibu.com to learn more.
Take two covers, one covered by these
nice
companies, the other covered by 21st Century Insurance. They have the same
It's gonna go
coverage.
over. It's fine. We'll watch it. It's fine.
The
Any
same
things he's
door
tipped over in the past 3 days?
same coverage means same repairs. Here's the difference though. Drivers who switch from Geico to 21st saved an average of $474.
No. I'm filming. I'm filming.
800-518-8218. 21st Century Auto Insurance. The same great coverage for less.
Don't miss your opportunity. I'm filming.
I am hungry.
We'll sit you down there. What are we doing?
Pancakes.
Laura, come down for breakfast. Laura!
Yeah, I'll be right down. Hello.
It's Sunday morning, and guess where I am? I'm in my office doing the extra paperwork you were supposed to be doing. Well, I'm not actually doing it myself. Actually, I'm more like supervising. Not that you would know because you were not on the call yesterday.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I know. You're too busy hay riding or cow tipping.
Whatever you're doing down in New Mexico.
Texas.
Whatever.
Connors, I like you. You know that. Which is the only reason, as far as I'm concerned, that you still have a job.
You should be managing this.
Would you stop worrying about it? I have been speaking to Beth, and we have the entire situation under control.
No, I had a lovely conversation with Anderson yesterday.
And I think he would really appreciate that.
Stop worrying about it. Everything is going to be fine.
I'd worry less if you were here.
You know what? If you'll excuse me, Paul, I'm actually going to go have breakfast with my father and my daughter, and I am going to call you as soon as I am out of...
This is amazing.
One more thing.
Bye.
You take it.
So how was the carnival?
It was awesome. Mommy and Daddy kissed.
They're what?
They kissed. Morning.
Good morning, darling.
Excuse me.
What's for breakfast?
Pancakes.